Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 920. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a wobbling screen when you open your Lenovo Yoga 920, you're not alone. This issue can arise from loose hinges or damaged components. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further damage to your device, potentially impacting the display or internal workings. To fix this problem, you'll need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, replacement hinges, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. To begin with the repair, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by carefully removing the back cover of the Lenovo Yoga 920 using the plastic spudger. Gently slide it around the edges to release the clips, making sure not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the hinges that are causing the wobble. You should see screws securing the hinges to the frame. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, but be cautious not to strip them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, gently lift the screen away from the base. Be mindful of any cables connected to the display. If necessary, disconnect them carefully using the tweezers. Once the screen is free, you can replace the faulty hinges with the new ones. Align the new hinges with the screw holes, and secure them tightly but without over-tightening, as this could cause damage. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are seated properly. Now, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully place the screen back onto the base, making sure everything aligns correctly. Once you're satisfied, replace the back cover by pressing it down to snap it into place. Turn your device back on to check if the screen wobble is resolved. If all is well, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, avoid applying excessive force when opening or closing your laptop and ensure it's handled with care. Regular maintenance and keeping it clean can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.